Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the ready mix label and that it's within its usable date. Pour a measured amount of powder into a clean bucket and add most of the planned water. You want to avoid running thin mixes. Use a paddle on a drill at low speed so the powder wets out evenly. Once the initial mix forms, stop and scrape sides. Make sure there are no dry pockets. You're creating a homogeneous paste that will bond reliably when applied. Once done with the first hydrate, allow a short slake period so air bubbles dissipate and chemical activation begins. After 2 to 5 minutes, remix briefly. You want a creamy, butter-like texture that sticks without sagging. Add tiny increments of water, think 0, 1 to 0, 2 liters if it's too stiff, and remix each adjustment. Make sure to test on the substrate. You should be able to press a trowel and have the mortar hold its ridge. This balance controls strength and work time. You apply the mortar with a firm, consistent pressure, filling voids and tooling joints to compact the mix. Once placed, finish with a wet sponge or jointer for the desired texture. Make sure you complete application within the working time. Don't keep adding water to revive old mix. After finishing, cure as instructed. Mist in hot sun or cover to retain moisture so the mortar gains full strength. If it becomes crumbly or fails to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.